Hello everyone, welcome to the launch of TallyPrime Release 5.0. It is a big day for us and we are so glad that you could join in. Over the course of the years, we have been lucky enough to create products that serve millions of business owners, chartered accountants and tax professionals across the world. Before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who has given us a chance and taken the time to give us feedback. It is because of you that the product is what it is today. TallyPrime today is the simplest and most reliable product that helps you automate your business your way. From custom yet accurate invoicing to flexible receivables and payables management to complete accounting, inventory and compliance management, TallyPrime helps businesses automate and grow with confidence. Over the last few years, we have seen every business becoming more and more connected. At Tally, we have been working to connect you to your ecosystems even better and even more securely. Our convenient e-invoicing capability is used by most businesses in India to generate GST compliant invoices. Our integrated WhatsApp solution allows you to not only send invoices and reminders to your customers, but also helps you maintain better relationships with them. You can even use WhatsApp to send reports internally or ledger statements to your suppliers to ensure that you are always reconciled. With the online payments integration, collecting money through a link or a QR code makes life a lot simpler. On the inventory side, our integrated e-way bill capability and HSN code validation helps businesses ensure that they always remain compliant in their operations. And if you want to run your entire product online, TallyPrime, powered by AWS, can help you with the promises of security and complete privacy. Today, with great pleasure, I want to announce our latest release, TallyPrime Release 5.0. Release 5.0 introduces a revolutionary experience where your entire GST compliance journey unfolds seamlessly within TallyPrime. You can handle all your GST returns, from filing returns to reconciliation, optimizing input credit, and a lot more, without leaving the familiar and powerful interface of TallyPrime. With the release, we have significantly moved the needle to describe what a truly connected product could be. And we are excited today to meet some of our early users to walk through what their experience has been. Let us take a look. Hello, man. Ekdam badhiya. I'm here to meet Mr. Prem. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir?
Yes. Hey, Tejas.
Hi, Mr. Prem. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Excellent. Good to see you.
Same here.
How's everything going?
It's doing great. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Would you like to have some tea, coffee?
No, I'm okay. Thank you so much.
Firstly, thanks for paying us a visit. Our business is doing great, thanks to the team that we have at Arrow.
It's great to see.
But I must say that the management of the business and the compliance processes has been amazing. It's been smoother with the latest release.
That's the exact objective. GST was launched a few years ago and it's been cumbersome. It's been getting smoother. But with this release, we wanted to make it absolutely seamless. I'd love to hear your experience.
Sure, Tejas. For our business, everything starts at invoice creation, moving on to GST compliance and beyond. Come, I'll show you.
GST compliance has always been challenging, often involving time-consuming manual tasks, error-prone processes, and complex reconciliations. Managing JSON files and navigating the GST portal can be cumbersome. With connected GST upload in TallyPrime 5.0, everything becomes remarkably simple and quick. Once your return is ready after correcting any uncertainties, you can upload it directly from within TallyPrime with just a few clicks. No more blind rejections. You can easily go to the GSTR1 report, validate, correct the errors, and upload the pending ones. In case of any errors or rejections, you can instantly view and fix specific vouchers in real time. TallyPrime will automatically identify the vouchers that need to be re-uploaded. With connected GST in TallyPrime 5.0, there's absolutely no manual work. You can enjoy an amazingly fast, reliable, and automated filing experience. GSTR1 filing experience provides the flexibility to pause and resume at your convenience, giving you complete control. Lightning fast GST upload and filing with TallyPrime 5.0. Always convenient, always complete, always correct.
You see, with the new 5.0, we don't have to do manual entry on GST portal. This means that our GSTR1 filings are completely accurate. And the best part for me is we don't have to switch between Tally and GST portal, as the latest upgrades has automated all the manual tasks in just a few clicks. Plus, as an owner, it also helps me to stay on top of ITC management. And there is so much more control I have over our cash flows.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear. Oh, Mr. Prem, I'm curious to know, how's the transition been for your accounts team and your tax consultant?
Yeah, it's been good. Meet our CA, Anita ji.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Anita.
Nice to meet you.
She has guided us so well. The real-time data syncing and automated ITC optimization have saved countless hours for us. Compliance is no more a challenge for us. And we don't really worry about the deadlines now. What do you feel, Anita ji?
Most definitely. The connected features have been transformative. In fact, the seamless filing within TallyPrime and the reconciliation features are particularly helpful.
Oh, that's so nice to hear. Thank you guys so much for sharing the feedback. I think the last few hours have been very productive. I'll take your leave now, Mr. Prem. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thanks for coming. I'll accompany you, please.
Thank you. We have just seen how Aero Logistics has been able to achieve efficiency with the latest release, making their processes smoother and more delightful, saving days of busy work. Next, I'm heading to Miss Anita's office, whom we briefly met earlier. APN & Co. supports different types of businesses with their accounting and compliance needs, all using TallyPrime 5.0.
So my team and I are thrilled to share with you how efficient our work has become with this latest release.
It's amazing. I can't wait to hear about your experiences.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
So usually my team and I, we spend a lot of time matching data across invoices or GSTR forms, be it 1, 2A, 2B or 3B, all because of potential discrepancies. But with the latest release, our lives have become a lot easier.
I'd love to see how you guys are using it.
Please come.
Manually downloading reports, switching between various softwares and screens, and identifying mismatches across multiple forms is a challenge for most CAs and their teams. On top of that, managing GST notices and preparing for audits adds another layer of complexity. With TallyPrime powered by AWS, you can easily work with the same dataset, enhancing collaboration and accuracy with your clients. In the latest release, you can easily download multiple returns for different periods and multiple GSTINs in just a few clicks. The powerful reconciliation experience in TallyPrime 5.0 is accurate, quick, and saves you and your team a lot of time and effort. Any discrepancies are managed easily. Mismatch can occur due to differences in invoice totals, either from TDS deductions or other expenses like freight and insurance added while booking purchase. Mismatches can also occur due to round-off errors. With this release, you can easily configure TallyPrime to ignore invoice amount and round off discrepancies for reconciliation. Additionally, if you receive invoices that don't belong to you, easily exclude them and complete the reconciliation process. You can also download 3B in just a few clicks and review all the reconciled data, helping you upload GSTR 3B with accurate liability and ITC values. Once GSTR 3B is uploaded and tax payment is completed and the 3B return is filed on the portal, mark the return as filed in TallyPrime and update the ARN number and date. Connected GST reconciliation in TallyPrime 5.0 ensures peace of mind during audits with no discrepancies in liability between e-invoices, e-way bills and GSTR returns. Similarly, 2B reconciliation guarantees that your ITC claims are always accurate. Manage your compliance on your terms, with the complete visibility into your status at all times. One-click reconciliation with TallyPrime 5.0. Super fast, super easy, super accurate.
Yeah. So my team has been really happy. And with this latest update, we're confident to reduce audit hassles and notices related to ITC claims. And we're so eager to explore more.
Well, that's exactly what we hoped for. Honestly, when we were building 5.0, our intent was to make sure that the CA community, the tax practitioner community, would find this release really, really useful.
We definitely do.
Thank you so much, Ms. Anita. It was wonderful meeting you.
Thank you
Take care
so
and
much.
see you soon.
You too.
Thank you. Now, let's meet Mr. Shyam. He has been running SK Enterprises for the last 10 years and is the distributor for some of the leading Indian and global FMCG brands.
Mr. Shyam has been running SK Enterprises for the last 15 years and is the dealer of some of the leading Indian and global FMCG brands. He has been using TallyPrime since release 2.0 and is currently using the latest release 5.0. He has a multi-user license and uses AWS to access TallyPrime from other locations and collaborate seamlessly with his teams and CA.
Tejas ji,
Hi, Mr. Shyam. Thank you so much for having me here.
it's our pleasure.
How's business going? You have an amazing store.
Well, the business is picking up. As you can see, the festive season is around the corner, so we are all set up for that.
Oh, super, super, super.
Why don't we sit and talk? I wanted to tell you that we have been using the latest release. It has helped us and given a better view over the working capital and cash flow.
Amazing.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you.
I didn't realize what business opportunities I was missing earlier because of blocked working capital.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, let me show you.
When you own a business, the risk of losing input tax credit is always a major concern. Traditional methods such as withholding ITC until your suppliers upload their returns or chasing proof of upload can be inefficient. One common approach is to withhold ITC until purchases appear in GSTR 2B. However, this can be unfair to suppliers who might wait 45 days for payment despite typical credit periods of 15 to 30 days. Another option is to settle outstanding payments and handle follow-up later. This burdens you with ITC recovery, impacting cash flow and working capital. TallyPrime 5.0 gives you a powerful data-driven solution that supports decision-making based on live GSTR 2A data. Real-time ITC risk management gives you instant visibility into ITC risks through payable reports. This enables timely decisions based on live data and prevents delays caused due to waiting for GSTR 2B to be downloaded. Thus, steps taken to recover ITC after payment is completed can be avoided. Additionally, you can easily view discrepancies between your books and the GST portal. When verifying ITC risk at the party level, any discrepancy can be easily addressed by sharing filtered ITC reports with your suppliers via WhatsApp or email in real time, preventing disputes. As a supplier, you can track receivables with ease without the need for extra steps like sharing screenshots of GSTR1. Experience 100% control over ITC risks and streamline your financial processes with TallyPrime 5.0.
Despite having different relationships with my suppliers, the working capital savings has been a total game changer.
That's amazing to hear.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing.
I'll tell you a secret. I never thought my life would be this easy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for
so
sharing.
much. Yeah, thank you.
Really appreciate it. I'll take your leave.
I'll walk you out.
Thank you. Just like you saw with TallyPrime 5.0, businesses with all sorts of practices can get insights to having better relationships with their suppliers and managing their working capital even better. Next, we have Vaibhav, the co-founder of Prithvi.ai, a startup in the robotics space with 2 rounds of funding. Initially, with a small customer base, they relied heavily on spreadsheets and free apps for bookkeeping. However, as their clientele has expanded, the need for a better system became evident, and they started using TallyPrime 5.0. Hey Vaibhav.
Hey Tejas.
How are
Please
you?
have a seat, man. I'm good. Great to see you, man. How are you?
Excellent. I'm doing the rounds, getting feedback from customers on the release, and wanted to get your feedback too.
Actually, it has been brilliant. My father, who runs a traditional business in my hometown, he was the one who suggested me that I should use TallyPrime.
Oh wow.
Yes. As a founder, I wear many hats, including managing filing and the compliance for the company. Of course, with the guidance from my CA. But the thing is, creating ledgers used to take a lot of time and it was prone to errors with the manual work.
Got it. How's the product helped you?
Let me show you.
With TallyPrime 5.0, creating ledgers for your customers and suppliers is incredibly easy. Simply enter the GSTIN and the details are automatically fetched from the GST portal, instantly populating your ledger data accurately. This saves time, eliminates typos, and ensures you always have accurate details for smooth compliance and fewer audit hassles. You can also review GST filing history to assess a party's compliance and make informed decisions about vendor or customer engagement. The flexibility to view additional details on e-invoice applicability, business nature, and branches further guide your business decisions. You can easily import multiple GSTINs from Excel and create ledgers in bulk in seconds. For one-time B2B cash transactions where you don't intend to create ledgers, easily fetch party details by GSTIN and complete transactions in compliance with GST, e-waybill and e-invoice requirements. Eliminate errors, save time and gain peace of mind with powerful GST connectivity. GSTIN-based automated ledger creation with TallyPrime 5.0, blazingly fast, simple and accurate.
One more thing, I really like the dashboard. It is extremely useful. And I must say that I'm impressed with the WhatsApp messaging feature integrated into TallyPrime. It has made my work much more easier.
Amazing. It's so wonderful to hear this feedback from you, Vaibhav.
Yes.
Honestly, we've been working on the product to get entrepreneurs like you to like it, and I'm so glad that you're actually doing that. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Super, Vaibhav. Thanks a ton for spending the time. I'll see you soon, yeah?
Yeah, bye.
Take care. I'm glad to see how TallyPrime 5.0 is helping young entrepreneurs like Vaibhav save time and focus on what truly matters, driving their business forward. And finally, I am meeting Mr. Kumar, the owner of Velocity Electronics, a leading electronics store in the city and who has been a customer for the past 3 years.
Hey Tejas,
Hi, Mr. Kumar. How are you doing?
doing very well. It's been so long.
It has been a while.
Thanks for coming.
And thanks for stopping by.
Of course. I've been visiting customers to get feedback on our latest release, and since you've been using it, I thought I'd stop by.
Well, I spoke to Shyam from SK Enterprises the other day and told him about your TallyPrime upgrade. We've been using it for our business, and I told him how useful it is.
He mentioned that the TDS 194 simplification was useful for you.
Yeah, of course.
Can you tell me more?
Well, it's not just that. I just love how GST operations has been simplified for all types of businesses. I already see a lot of time savings for my staff. What used to take days happens instantly, whether it is GSTR 1, 2A, 2B filing, recon, or ledger creation. Everything is so smooth.
Amazing.
Amit, and the TDS 194Q. That's the icing on the cake.
I'd love to see it.
It's simply amazing.
TDS compliance has been tedious for many businesses because of its complexities, involving various sections, rates, thresholds, exemptions, and provisions. Calculating TDS accurately and timely while managing these factors often leaves business owners worried about meeting compliance requirements. The introduction of Section 194Q, which includes TDS on the purchase of goods, has added another layer of complexity with a new calculation methodology that considers exemption limits. With TallyPrime, TDS reports automatically track exemptions and taxable values accurately and timely, so you can transact confidently with suppliers without worrying about crossing exemption limits. TallyPrime monitors each supplier's exemption status, ensuring you stay compliant. TallyPrime's TDS report highlights the exact amounts that need to be deducted and automates the deduction entries for each supplier. After deductions, you can easily review the balance payable to the supplier in the outstanding report, which can be shared via email or WhatsApp. Post deductions, TallyPrime 5.0 clearly indicates the TDS payable to the department and automates the TDS payment process. You can then save, export the return, and file the eTDS return easily using the government's offline utility. It's a comprehensive solution that meets all your compliance needs for Section 194Q, ensuring peace of mind and avoiding potential penalties. Experience hassle-free and reliable TDS 194Q compliance with TallyPrime 5.0.
With every new release, TallyPrime simplifies business management, compliance, and accounting, making our business highly efficient.
That's wonderful to hear, and thank you so much for walking me through everything that you guys have done. The last few days have been incredible, and your meeting has just been the icing on the cake. Thank you so much, Mr. Kumar. I'm going to head back to the office now. So, that was great. I hope these experiences have been as helpful for you as they have been for me. Apart from the connected GST and improved TDS compliance experiences, we have several more new capabilities built into 5.0, one of which is the concept of the plugin. A capability that allows you to get early access to some of our newer experiences, designed to help you grow. Our first such plugin is Tally Capital, built to help you get the right access to business financing securely and privately. Over the last few years, we have been working to bring you simpler and faster products. Recently, we introduced report filters with Save View, allowing you to search through all your data and create unlimited custom reports and dashboards for unparalleled insights into your business. You can access all these reports through a go-to capability, making life delightfully simple. And as we look ahead, we are excited to bring you even more to keep delighting you. As you have seen, TallyPrime Release 5.0 brings you the power of connectivity with speed, simplicity, and flexibility. We cannot wait for you to try it. Today, we are proudly announcing the general availability of the latest release of TallyPrime Release 5.0. If you are a customer of Tally and have an active Tally software service subscription or TSS, you can download TallyPrime 5.0 for free today. If you don't have an active subscription, all you need to do is renew it and get the new product for free. If you are not yet a customer of Tally and like what you see, please do reach out to your nearest Tally partner or visit us at tallysolutions.com or call us to see how we can help your business. Next up, we have organized deep dive demos of 5.0 where you can get answers to all your questions. Thank you everyone, stay safe and stay healthy.